Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Kawasaki Z400 ABS. This naked street fighter just arrived with only 525 miles. Beautiful showroom condition. I love this orange and black paint scheme. Very unique. You orange lovers, come on down. Make your motorcycle dreams come true with this really cool Z400. Same engine and drivetrain as the Ninja 400. It's got ABS brakes, fuel injected, liquid cooled. Only $49.99. This bike is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.